So welcome to our project. Our project is contactless hand sanitizer machine simulation on ThinkerCAD. ThinkerCAD is online simulator and it is free of cost. So just you have to do login using our Gmail account. So I will open the ThinkerCAD software. So I will show you demonstration. So this is my website. On this website I have to type ThinkerCAD. So when I type ThinkerCAD, already I had done the login, so it will directly open the website. So ThinkerCAD website is opened. So here I have to click on circuits. So when click on circuit, my all circuits will be there. So I will click on hand sanitizer and Thinker this. So already circuit diagram is drawn here. Already circuit diagram is drawn here. Now it will open in this window. This ThinkerCAD is free of cost and all components are there. So this is my circuit diagram. Here we are using Arduino board as a controller, which is the brain of our project, which accepts the input, and according to input condition it gives signal to the output. So in our project, input is ultrasonic sensor. In real application we cannot use IR sensor because IR sensor will not work in day condition, and outside we cannot use IR sensor, but ultrasonic sensor we can use anywhere. Therefore we are using ultrasonic sensor as a input. In our project, output is pump, but in this ThinkerCAD there is no pump, but pump is made up by motor. Therefore we have taken motor as an output device. Now motor operates at 9 to 12 volt. So an Arduino operates at 5 volt. So we are using this 9 volt battery to operate the motor. Now this motor requires more current. Therefore we cannot connect this motor directly to Arduino. Therefore we are using this transistor, NPN transistor, as an amplifier to operate the motor. And the base of this amplifier transistor is connected to Arduino. So in our project we are using pin number 7 as trigger pin, pin number 8 as echo pin, pin number 9 for LED, and pin number 10 for transistor. So this is my circuit. All components you can get from this left side. In this, here you can write the code. So no need to install Arduino IDE software. So this is the code for our project, and for getting this code we are using one website for understanding the operation of ultrasonic sensor. That website is how to mechatronics. For example, ultrasonic sensor how to mechatronics. If you search in that, it will give all details about ultrasonic sensor, how it works, how the calculations are done, like this. So all details of ultrasonic sensor is given on this page. So this is ultrasonic sensor which gives sound of 40 kilohertz. So this is one transmitter which transmits the waveform, and when there is obstacle, that waveforms are reflected. And the logic behind our project is like this. The speed of sound is 340 meters per second, or you can say 0.034 centimeter per microsecond. The time equation is equal to distance divided by speed. So from this equation we had calculate distance, s is equal to time multiplied by 0.034 divided by 2. So this equation is very important in our program. So from this equation we are using in our program. So we'll see our program. So long is one duration, long distance are variables. SV means solenoid valve means you are using pump, it is connected to pin number 10. Light means LED indicator, pin number 9. Echo pin, pin number 8. Trigger pin number 7. So this is my first part. In that all parts are initialized. Then white setup executes only one time. So in that we have to initialize which pin is input, which pin is output. If there is any output pin, you have to make it low. So in this pin mode, trigger is output, solenoid valve is output, light is output, echo pin is input. Then serial begin, it is used to monitor the output at serial port. Then digital write, solenoid valve low and light low, outputs are off. So this is my setup program which runs only one time. Then loop executes infinite time continuously. So here we are giving one pulse of 10 microsecond trigger pulse. So for that, initially trigger is low, then we are making trigger high for 10 microsecond, and then we are calculating the duration. So the distance is equal to duration multiplied by 0.034 divided by 2, and from this you are getting distance. So serial print ln distance, we are getting distance. Up to this program is taken from How to Mechatronics website. Now we had attached our requirement that if distance is less than 20 centimeter, then solenoid valve as well as light turns on for 3 seconds, and then it will turn off. And if distance is not less than 20, then all are off. So this is our main program. So if your hand is in between 0 to 20 centimeter, then solenoid valve will turn on and it will dispense the sanitizer. If distance is more than 20 centimeter, then all devices are off. So this is our program. Now we will execute our program. So here also there is one serial monitor. You can observe this output here. So I will make this circuit diagram small. This is my circuit diagram, and now I will show the simulation. So I have to click on start simulation. When I click on start simulation, here at serial monitor you are getting distance. Right now my distance is 20. So this light is on. To give the demonstration, we have to click on ultrasonic sensor. So when you click on ultrasonic sensor, this is the object. Suppose right now my object is at 209 centimeter. It is above 20 centimeter. Therefore this red light and motor is off. So when we come it near to the sensor, see right now it is 86 centimeter. So which is greater than 20. Light is off, motor is off. If this object is less than 20, then this light turns on and this motor rotates. Motor is nothing but sanitizer pump. So this motor will rotate, and then if it is more than 20 centimeter, it will turn off. So less than 20 centimeter, it turns on, and if distance is more than 20 centimeter, it turns off. So this is the hand sanitizer machine simulation.